Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You ready? First, confirm both controllers are working and a second profile is signed in so the game recognizes player 2. Once done, launch Escapists II and select the local play or couch co-op option. This forces the split-screen mode immediately. Make sure both controllers are active before you pick a save or create a new session, because the game reads inputs at selection time. If you see only one cursor, press a button on the second controller to join and proceed to character selection. Now you and your partner pick characters and set rules. Do this together so you avoid inventory overlap and wasted time. You choose character appearance, then agree who handles crafting, trading, or guard distraction. Once roles are set, you'll coordinate better during lockdowns. Make sure you open each character's inventory to rearrange items. Split screen makes item transfer clumsy otherwise, so swap essentials before a roll call or work duty. Also set the difficulty, and whether you'll share lessons to match playstyle and pacing. When you reach the escape window, communicate timing. One person creates the diversion while the other moves through the route. Once done, regroup and follow the exit objective together. Split screen keeps each view local, so stay within visual range when possible. If the second player disconnects or the view collapses to single screen, reconnect the controller and rejoin from the pause menu. If that fails, restart the session. And remember to save before big gambits, so you can reload a checkpoint if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.